There is a calling stirring within so many of us, a quiet voice urging us to step forward, to become something greater than ourselves. It is a call to awaken, to transform, and to create a world that reflects harmony, balance, and purpose. Hello and welcome. My name is Greg, and I'm honored to invite you into something extraordinary. This is not just a Patreon, it is a movement, a sacred council, and a shared dream. This is the Circle of Elders. The Circle of Elders is a space for visionaries, dreamers, and change agents. People like you, who feel the call to co-create a legacy of transformation. Together, we are shaping a movement rooted in the 9 pillars, merging ancient wisdom with modern tools to empower individuals, communities, and organizations. When you join the Circle of Elders, you step into a sacred role. As a member, your contributions are not just financial, they are foundational. You are directly fueling the creation of tools, teachings, and transformative experiences that will impact lives around the world. Your support powers the development of innovative tools like our app, where users can track spiritual milestones, access guided practices, and engage with gamified systems of personal growth. It enables workshops, certifications, and retreats that bring the 9 pillars to life, fostering leadership and healing at every level. And this is more than a project. It is a shared dream. By joining us, you become a dream space practitioner, holding the vision of a better, more balanced world. You help shape not only what we create, but also how we bring it to the world. The Circle of Elders offers 3 tiers of engagement. The Dreamer Seat welcomes you into the journey with access to foundational content and updates. The Elders Path invites deeper connection through exclusive rituals, teachings, and early access to transformative tools. And for those called to lead, the Guardian of the Vision offers a role as co-creators of this legacy. This is your chance to step into your purpose, to be a torchbearer for healing, balance, and regeneration. Together, we are weaving a web of transformation, one thread at a time. And with your support, this vision can reach farther, impact deeper, and create a legacy that will ripple through generations. Join us in the Circle of Elders. Become part of something greater. Together, we dream and vision a brighter world into being.